close, open, close, chicken, chicken, baby, baby, circle, 2, 3, 4, out, out. Lock your thumbs. Let me see everybody's thumbs. Chris, join your thumb. Like this. Interlock them. Yeah. Now you're going to go wave to the right, wave to the left. Your body moves to the right side first. 5. Let's do this again. 5, 6, 7, go. Out, out. Wave, wave.